Friends, so in this video we will learn what is the conditional expression, what is the ternary operators, and what is the switch statement, what is the alert prompt, and how you can convert the string number into the actual numbers, and you can convert into the float numbers. Okay, so now let's just jump to the conditional expressions. So what is the conditional expression? So conditional expression is nothing. First of all, it will check the condition, and based on your true and false returning value, it will show the output. For that, JavaScript has inbuilt if condition, switch statement, multiple functionality in JavaScript you can find. Okay, now the ternary operator, it's the shorthand of the if and else statement, and this is the syntax. If the condition true, then this condition will appear, else it will give the false condition. In switch statement, you can apply the multiple check or condition in one value field. Okay, let's say in condition, if you have 5 days, if case 1 means day 1 match, then, and if the result true, then whatever code you will write, then you will get that kind of output, depend on your declared criteria or assigned criteria. Okay, alert is a user input box which returns the value in string, and the prompt is like kind of message box in. Okay, and the last one is the how to convert the string into the number. So parseInt, it will give you the result into the integer format, and parseFloat, it will give you the result in decimal number format, and number will directly convert the string value into the number without giving the exact integer or with decimal value. It will return the value as it is if the string containing numeric values. Okay, so now let's see the practical. So now I am showing this here as a conditional expression, and I am just saving into the HTML. Okay, if you don't find here HTML, or if you don't want to waste the time, okay, simply just first of all save and go to your folder. Okay, and just simply convert this into the HTML and open with the Chrome browser. Okay, now do one thing here, just change this into the, so I am just closing this one and just opening this into the edit with notepad, this one, right? So I am just changing into the comment one. Now let's see here, just opening into the browser mode, and now let's check the conditional expression first. So let's start with the let's say I have a variable which containing let's say number 23. Okay, now I am just putting if else statement. If a is greater than 22, okay, then this will obviously return the true, right? So in this case, I will write the console.log value is matching. I am just writing if statement and also writing the else statement. If not match, then what it will appear, value is not matching, and putting here again a and closing the bracket of console log, and let's say what exactly answer will return here, right? this is again value is matching 23 because a is greater than 22, right? So that's why. Now here let's see what if if it is 21. You can see value is not matching is 21 by, so because it is giving the false conditions. Okay, so this is the basic concept of if and else, which works based on the condition of true and false. Okay, that is just one example. Now just go to the ternary operator. Now how will you write this code in ternary operator, right? So what we can do in this situation, if, okay, this is our syntax. If first of all we will write the condition same as it is, and after that this is the colon symbol, and we can directly write here if condition is greater, if a is greater than 22, then we will write here console.log value is matching a, and if it is not matching, okay, wait, here we should use the question mark. Okay, so if the value become true, then this will print this result, and if it is not true, then this will result console.log value is not matching. Okay, so if this result is true, then this will show this particular value, and if not, then this will return these values, right? So let's just check. So here if I just refresh this one, it is showing the syntax error, right? Why it is showing the syntax error? Let me just check here, console.print, and expressions result is false. Console if a, okay, my a variable is not declared, that's why. So I am just putting here, and again just refresh. Again it is showing the syntax error. Let's see why it is showing the syntax error. A is greater than 22, right? So I should remove this. Let's say now just refresh. Value is not matching 21, right? It is simply showing the value is not matching with 22, right? And this has stored in also in console dot in b variable as well. Let's see, undefined. Okay, this is showing undefined value because it is not showing in not storing value into the variable. But if I just run without print, then let's see what exactly happen. Still it is showing, right? So if you apply this into any variable or want to assign into variable, this will show you the undefined whatever we just saw right now, and without it will show you the this result, right? So again I am showing, let's say I am just putting into the this variable console.log c. You can see it is showing undefined values. So here value is not matching, right? So what if I put here 23? Now let's see. So value is matching, right? Okay, without any if condition, it is just matching the condition. And if you write if, then this will not work. So this common syntax error is basically happen. Okay, now jump to the second one, switch statement. Okay, now how you can use the switch statement in this one. So first of all, we'll do one thing. First of all, switch is actually check the multiple value. Let's say in my array I have multiple condition. Let's say I have 22, right? Now let's say switch a, this is the common syntax, case if value is containing 1, then console.log correct value a, right? And I will after that break this one. Similarly, I will copy the second and paste. If value is 22, then correct value, else break, or else just put the 8, 9, whatever. Okay, or I can just write the string value as equal to test. Okay, then correct value test and break, or I can put the if none of the condition match, then this will give the default value. Default value is a, right? So now let's just check this one. The default spelling is wrong, so I am running this one. Now let's check correct value is 22 because it is matching the 22. What if I put 23, which is not matching, right? 1 is not matching 22 and test is not. So in this case, this will show this value, default value is okay. You can see default value is 23. And what if I write here the test, correct value is test. Okay, so this way switch statement works. Now go to the alert and prompt, right? What is the alert and prompt? So alert is a user is the inbuilt functionality in JavaScript where you can fetch the user input. Okay, let's say in this variable I will type anything, enter your number, right? This will result into the string format or in string data type. So I will write here console.log is equal to a, and also I am just showing the data type is type of a. Okay, now just let's print and just check. Enter your number. It's not showing, sorry, alert. It's alert, right? Prompt, sorry, this called the prompt. So prompt, whenever you just add the number 12, you can see data type is string. So that was just for the prompt. Okay, prompt, enter your number. Prompt is basically taking the values from the user and accordingly print it, and alert is basically for the message box. So I am just renaming this one prompt. Alert. Okay, so now similarly you can just do the same way. You can just prompt the message as well. So I can do here one thing, alert a. Okay, so data, it is printing the data and accordingly showing the printing type. So this is the basic this is just basic introduction of alert and prompt. Okay, this you can use for the testing purpose of your code as well, and how to convert the string to numbers, that we will see also. So let's say I have here one number. I have this into the string format. Now how I will change into the number format. Okay, so what I will do here, console.log the data type of a is, so I am just writing type of a. Okay, and let's say now what exactly type of it showing? String, right? So what if I just do like this way, parseInt a, so it will change into the integer, you can see number. And if I use parseFloat, then it will give it into the decimal format. Okay, it is the same thing. Okay, let's say if I write here 23.4, 23.4 is returning the actually decimal value, but if you convert this into the integer, then this will not return the decimal. That's why that is the difference between the parseInt and parseFloat. Okay, you can see it is not returning the decimal because we have used exactly integer, not the float value. That's why it is not returning decimal. And if I directly use just numbers, okay, then let's see, it will return parseInt both whatever is your string values in decimal format, right? So that's all for this videos. What is the conditional expression, what is the ternary operators, what is the switch statement, what is the alert and pop, and how you can convert the number into the string. Thanks.